Hello everyone, this is Anthony, Wall Street Trader son. And before we get into this video, let's go through the disclaimer real quick. This is not financial advice. The opinion you should follow should be your own and or with a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes and to outline my own personal opinions as well. Intraday Updates on twitter.com, the link's in the description. To stay up to date with my latest videos, click on that subscribe button. And now into the stock markets with my dad.
Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 5:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. Okay, so minute $5, minute 100%. Maximum desired risk exposure equals 100%. I am also in on an average cost basis. What I've bought it at these various entry points, I weighted average them, and they're $5.04 per token. Now, we're 292 right now on the RLC US dollar pack. So looking at RLC dollar, I've noticed that we've got this kind of, since the 22nd, we've got this support line, which is in red. We want to stay over the red line. More importantly, we want to get over the yellow line. The yellow line represents the line that is targeted straight towards the end of year projection, which is $14 per RLC. If we get over that yellow line, it'll be great. I mean, we're under it, but I don't really care if we're under or over right now. We still got plenty of time. 5 months is a long time in crypto land. Look at how far things have gone within 5 months. It's been 2 months and we were at 14. So it could just as easily get back up there. Now, we have a couple of other factors we need to look at. So that was iExec RLC US dollar. The next one is the inner strength, or RLC Bitcoin. So let's go to the RLC Bitcoin pair. We are in between these two horizontal yellow lines, and if we can get a little further here, I think we're doing a nice period of consolidation, nice horizontal consolidation. This is important. Horizontal consolidations are very, very good. They usually represent a coiling up event. So we could be coiling up for a next major move higher. So important to watch that. And if we did move higher and we coiled up and broke up to 10,430, that's about 20%, 25% from where we are now. That would effectively take us from 289 up to probably 350 or so. And that would take us over that yellow line. So important that we keep our eye out on that. Now let's go over the Bitcoin US dollar pair. Bitcoin has kind of like followed this support line up, this orange line of support, and broke it. And it broke it a little bit earlier or late last night, and we're kind of like fishing around here. Bitcoin, on the other hand, I'm slightly bearish on at this point in time. You know, we do want to get it back over that green line. And by the way, that green line is pointed straight to 80,000, which is another one of my year-end targets. So we're not far off from there. We're actually, again, 10% off from that yellow line too. And these lines have been drawn since I've been putting these predictions together. So they all seem to be, we're in plus or minus 10%, mostly minus at this point. So important to know, but I think we'll have more rally on RLC Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to go down from here per se. I think we might just go sideways for a bit and consolidate on the Bitcoin pair, which should help the RLC Bitcoin pair propel upward. Now, I just want to run through a few things. This was done about a month and change, 2 months ago, but people should know because they're a little late on the iExec Oracle Factory, which I think they had thought would be out in Q2. But like with every other cryptocurrency out there, there's and companies that master and mint this stuff, there's no way to know when this stuff actually comes out in exactness. But I think over the next month or two, we're going to start to see this start to leak out. So iExec Oracle Factory looking to be released. It will allow folks to build oracles quickly in minutes using already made preset APIs, which is great. As well as building oracles using custom APIs. So here you don't have to use standard preset APIs. You can make your own. And then Gallery will allow folks to do search, like they will allow users to search these things, to search user created custom oracles or these preset official oracles. Official oracles are things like market data, things like that. Now further down, I think towards, and not too far behind or far after would be the iExec v6, which is a technical update. So it's really more of an underlying update, but something that will help enhance security, reliability, and usability, as well as, which are basically done at the heart of their standard encryption model and trusted execution environment licensing framework that they've got. And then, of course, last but not least, I'm going to go into the community portals. Interesting, where you could manage your own RLC and actually be part of a governance model, which who knows where that is right now. But NFTs on iExec I find pretty interesting as well, which is, providing a simple interface to help create and monetize data sets as NFTs. Well, what the heck is that? Well, data sets are things like that are useful information. They could be information that has like real, it could be pre-computed information that only one person knows about. They may do something fancy there to give you some artificial intelligence on data that could be expensive to make on your own. So maybe it could be used as an NFT. So that should be very interesting as well. Anyway, that's pretty much all I've got. But